How to enter recovery mode. Today we'll use iPhone 6s, 7 Plus, and 16 as examples to help you learn the method quickly and easily. iPhone 6s are earlier. The steps are the same for all older models. Example, iPhone 6s. Keep the device powered on and connected to a computer. Press and hold the slide or top button and the home button. When the screen turns off and the Apple logo appears, press the slide or top button but continue holding home. Keep holding until the recovery mode screen appears. Then, release home to successfully enter recovery mode. iPhone 7 and 7 Plus. The method is the same for both. After connecting the device, press and hold volume down and the slide button. Keep holding when the Apple logo appears. Continue holding until the recovery mode screen appears. iPhone 8 and later. Example, iPhone 16. Keep the device powered on and connected to a computer. Press volume up once, then volume down once. Hold the side button. When the screen turns off, wait for the recovery mode screen to appear. Reminder: if you enter recovery mode using 3uTools, you can only exit recovery mode through 3uTools. For more practical flashing tutorials, follow 3uTools.